Hello guys, welcome back. And today I am going to be making the Diamondback. Sorry if a lot of the planes I'm making are really simple. I haven't made a lot of the planes from my Jayson Merrill books because I'm trying to understand them. But so there will be harder planes in the future when I make them. So just letting you know that. So I think you've all made the Diamondback. Actually, that wouldn't make any sense if you're watching this video, but anyway. So, the first step that you're going to do is fold a preliminary fold. My rip was probably really, really bad, so it's probably not going to be perfect, but I'm doing the best I can do. So once you've done the preliminary fold, you're going to fold this edge down to here. I might make, for the next video that I might make the Diamondback Alpha. Just a suggestion that I'm making, that I might do. And then what we're going to do is going to fold this flap to the center crease. And you want to leave a tiny bit of a space, like barely anything. So I might make, like, in the next episode, or when I say episode, sorry, I was thinking of like a Netflix channel. I might make the Spectre, or maybe even the Phoenix. I don't know. But so you're gonna do the same thing that you did on this side to this side. So once you've done that, you're going to fold on this crease. Like, you see that? You're just going to, like, you could just do that, but that would be folding the plane wrong, and I don't want Jayson Merrill to come after me and be like, you did it wrong, or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, so we're just gonna do it this way, like that. And you want to get it straight on the center crease. If it's a little bit off, then I don't know. So you do the same thing on the other side. So once you've done that, you're going to fold this edge to the bottom. I haven't folded the Diamondback in a while, so if it's a little wrong, Jayson Merrill, please don't come after me. I'm desperate. I haven't been getting a lot of ideas for paper airplanes that I should make a video on, so please don't come after me. Thank you. So once you've done that, you're going to fold the top edge to the crease you just made. So once you've done that, you're going to unfold that. This is going to be the, this is going to be the crease that you're going to use to, like, fold the wings, I'm pretty sure. So, or just to get the crease perfect, you're going to fold this to here, this edge like that. so once you've got that, you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna pick it up a bit. Okay. So once you get that, just gonna unfold that and then just whoop. So yeah, just gonna do the same thing. Once you've done that, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Let me just wait, hold up on me like. Okay. So once you've done that, you're gonna fold these edges from that crease right here. I'll try it. So right there, from this right, that edge right there to there. I think I don't need to explain that, but I will anyway, so. Sorry if you hear that background noise, that was probably like my dog's toy speaking, so, yeah. Oh yeah, it is, it's really annoying, oh my god. Yeah, what you can do is fold it in half and match it. So once you've got it matched up and everything, once you've done that, you're gonna fold these edges out. These edges out like that. So, and on both edges, both sides. And then, once you've done that, you're going to fold this edge into there. Okay. How do you say it? I don't know the word for it. I'm not gonna reinforce the nose because my paper is getting really thick. I don't wanna do that. So yeah. And once you've done that, there's not much other than to jet fold it, but I'm gonna make the jet fold a bit easier. I'm just gonna do this. So what you can do is you're gonna unfold both of these edges. So you're gonna unfold one of these edges, and then you're gonna fold on this crease, like right that. You're gonna fold like on that. That's a really short crease. Hold up. Hold up, am I doing this wrong? Hold on. Oh my god, okay. I don't know if I'm doing this wrong or not. Okay, it turns out I am doing this wrong. So, I think you're supposed to fold it to this edge, not that edge, because that's really high up. So instead of jet folding it from there like that, jet fold it from that edge, like that. Well, I'm just gonna recrease this. So. If I'm doing this wrong, I don't know what to say. This video will probably turn out really bad. Just saying. So sorry, I was doing that off camera a lot. Okay, you're just gonna jet fold. If this isn't clear enough, sorry, because I was like really confused when I got it up to there. I thought it was good enough. So yeah. So sorry if that part was off camera a lot. Now once you've done that, we're gonna fold the tail fin. So you're gonna take this edge of both of them. You're gonna fold this up both like big. I think like, hold on. Sorry if this is wrong, because I haven't made this plane in a really, really long time. I think it's about that much. I'm pretty sure it's about that much. And then once you've done that, you're going to fold this edge down into here. And then you're going to flip it over and do that. Then you're just going to open this up and you can do like that. You can do it like this. Like crease it up like that way and then do the same thing to the other side. Sorry you didn't do that, but then you're just going to pull this in. So once you got, wait, hold on. Yeah, sorry. Sorry, I keep taking off camera. Sorry, mine's a little goofy. Okay, sorry. I didn't do anything there. I just was fixing mine up a bit. So, once you've done that, you're going to fold up the wings. Just like that. And fold this one up, make sure it matches. So then, once you've done that, all we have to do is create the locking mechanism. Sorry if I said that really weird. Why did I say that so weird? Like, mechanism. Like, or I'm a robot. Or. So once you've done, sorry, why is it once you've done that? You're going to open this up like that, and you're going to fold this edge into there like that. You want to fold it, I think, under that flap. So once you've done that, you're going to fold, or no, not gonna fold. You're going to flip it over and fold it in. Look at that. I'm pretty sure. Actually, no, I think you're gonna fold it. I think you fold it in one more time this way. This looks right. So I keep switching this. I'm so sorry if you get confused. You're gonna do it on this side. I'm so sorry if you get confused. I just haven't done this plane in a really, really long time. I think I said that like 1,000 times by now, but yeah. Hold on. And I think this time you flip it over and do this side, and then fold it in again on this side. I'm 100% sure. So. And there's not much to do after that. It's really just shaping and that kind of stuff. Shape a plane real quick. So it looks, I think it's how, about like that, kind of triangle. So if you've gotten this far, good job. You're good. Hit the like and subscribe, and give this model a good toss. Here, I'll just start. Pretty far. So, yeah.